Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Uphold's lending feature. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to open Uphold. You can go to the website or you can log in through the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you want to click on the lending or borrow tab. Next, you want to choose the asset that you want to lend. That could be cryptocurrency, it could be flat currency, or it could be precious metal. Next, you want to set the lending terms, including the interest rate, loan duration, and of course the loan amount. Next up, you want to review the loan details and confirm that you want to lend the assets. And once that's confirmed, you're going to receive interest payments on your lent assets. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Uphold's lending feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.